Hello, this is John Clark, and I'm going to go through Assignment 0901, NumPy Intro. First, let's go ahead and run the program. Okay, I'll go up to the top first. So the first thing that I display is each one of the arrays. The first array, A, is from values from 0 to 99. B increments by 10, starts with 0 and goes up to 90. C is a set of equally spaced floating values between 0 and 100. And then D is a set of randomly generated numbers between 0 and 100. The next question then was the value of row 4, column 5, which is 45. Then we have row 4, which is the entire fourth row, values from 40 to 49. Then there's a question on the sum of array D. Since it's random numbers between 0 and 100, it's always pretty close to 50, so this is 48.79. Then we ask for the max of all values in array A, which is 99. And then we transpose array B. Now, since it's a one-dimensional array, the transpose of that is always identical, so it's the same result as the original array. Next thing I show is array A plus array D. After that, we have array times array D. And then finally, I show the dot product of the two arrays. Okay, so let's go to the code and answer the questions. So first, as to how I created A, B, and C. For A, I used a range with a start of 0, end of 100, non-inclusive, with a data type of float. For B, I used a range with the difference being that I used an increment of 10. For C, I used linspace with a start of 0 and 10.0 as the high end, and then I specified 100 values. As far as the second question goes, results of A4, 5, and A4, I think I already went through that. Yeah, so that's, right here and right here. As to the last question, what is the difference between multiplying A and D versus the dot product? The asterisk basically takes each of the elements in the first array and then multiplies it times the corresponding value in the second array on an element by element basis, and with the result being the value in the output array. Dot product behaves differently. It is taking the values in the first row of a row A and then multiply the values against the first column in array D. Then it adds those values together for the final result in row 0, column 0 in the resulting array. Then you take the first row of array B, multiply it against the values in the second column of array D. We add those values together and insert them in, and so on. So that's it. End of video.